My guest today is Pope Francis. Thanks for joining us today, Mr. Pope.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me, Joe. Hey, how's it going?
I'm good.
Can I get a LaCroix?
Sure. What flavor?
Do we have any lime left?
No, we just have lemon. Does that work?
Yeah, sure, that will do.
Steve's waiting for you in the pitch room.
Okay, thanks. So, my show is called A Dog That Smokes Weed, and it's about a dog that smokes weed. There's a sexy lady in it, and she's really hot. Also, he has an ex-wife who's really mean to him, and he hates his kids. The first episode would be he gets high, and he goes to the supermarket and falls down a portal into the next dimension. And another one would be he gets high and goes to a football game, but then he mixes up someone's penis for a hot dog and eats it. That's all I have so far. I love your idea so much. I think it has the potential to change the world.
Hey Leonard, can you give me feedback on this breast cycle? Well, first of all, you need to get the nipple consistency a little more accurate, and the fat distribution needs to be a little more spread out. Maybe ease the end of the wobble a little? Thanks, Leonard, I'll get on it. The ratings are in. We're not doing so hot. It's airing at the same time as A Cat That Drinks Beer on network, so maybe if we just move it to a different slot, that'll work. So, have you ever done ayahuasca?
As a matter of fact, I